Alright, how many of y'all are old enough to remember the Ford ignition switch recalls where they were trucks were catching fire and stuff like that? Well, I believe we have found a truck that missed the recall. This is my daughter's 88 F-150 that's in some of the videos that y'all have liked. Got to where it would crank, just shut off, crank and just shut off. And I chased everything in the world. And Dad suggested just kind of hold the key kind of in the run position. And when I did that and it stayed running, we kind of figured out that it was in fact in the ignition switch. And when I pulled it out, this is exactly how it came out. Just about ready to come completely apart and catch fire possibly. Yep, one that missed the recall.